What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having an absolutely blessed day today. So if this is your first time to the channel, guys, please check out the content. If it's content that you like, please go ahead and subscribe. For you returning subscribers and viewers, guys, hey, I appreciate y'all so much. So what I have for y'all today is another small install on the Lowrider S. So I'm going to set the camera up and I'm going to talk to y'all about what I'm changing out and why I'm changing it. So the mod I'm going to be doing today is going to be to this air cleaner. And I'll tell you what, I really do like the way this thing looks. It's absolutely awesome looking, makes the bike look tough. That's what we Harley riders like, right? We like these bikes to look tough, to look mean, to be sporty as they can, being a Harley. Of course, this is not ever going to compete with an R1 or something like that, but for a cruising bike, we want our bikes to look good and all. And I have a problem with this. The problem that I have is I'm 6'1", and when I ride this bike, my back and butt's all the way up here. If you look the way I ride, I have less than a finger's width of room between right here. And if I have to brake hard or I need to hug the tank pretty hard, like right now, I'm hugging the tank with my knee, and my shin is on this thing. And if you do a little bit of spirited riding, that's not quite all that fun. I've actually bruised myself a few times riding this thing. So anyway, I'm going to be changing this out. The other part of the reason is that I've got this Bum King engine guard, crash guard, whatever they call it down here. And I can't even put my foot on it to relax if I want to. I can kind of get my heel on it, but my leg's bowed out. There's more than a fist width of room between my knee and the tank. And that's just not all that comfortable. So I want to be able to use the crash guard as a foot peg if I'm doing some more longer distance riding, just to be able to be a little bit more comfortable. So what I'm fixing to do is show y'all what I bought, tell you why I bought it. Was it my first choice, guys? I think there is some nicer looking air cleaners out there. The reason I bought this one is because of the way it fits the bike, the way it hugs the bike. Again, I know that there's better air cleaners out there. This was not my absolute first choice, but I think for my riding style and what I want, this was the best choice for me. So what we'll do is I'll show y'all what comes in the box. I'll show you what I had to go back to Harley and buy separately, because if you're pulling this air cleaner off and you're changing it with something else, these bolts right here will not work with some of the other air cleaners. So keep that in mind, that you may have to change these bolts, these two right here. So let me get the box and get the camera situated, and I'll show y'all what I got. So what I got was a Screaming Eagle ventilator air cleaner kit for the Milwaukee 8 engines. So it is in black, so it looks very similar to the stock one that comes on the 114 and some of the little bit older 117 CVOs I believe had that same type of air cleaner. So what you get in the box is your back plate, your air cleaner, your cover plate, your Screaming Eagle decal that goes over the front. You get your two vent hoses right there, the gasket, and then of course the nuts and bolts, or the bolts I should say, to go on. What does not come in this kit, if you're going to switch it over, is these bolts right here. So these will actually go on these rubber pieces right here, and it'll actually re-inject, I guess, your oil back into the fuel injection system and then pull the air out. So if you are going to change over to that type of style from the 117 Lowrider S style, this is the part number you'll need: 29465-0 8B is what it looks like. But anyway, that's the part you'll need. So I have not opened this yet. This is the part number here for this Screaming Eagle part, 294000298. So this should fit your M8 style motorcycles. So I'm gonna open it up and I'll show you what's in the box. Here's your 2 rubber vent lines. Here's your bolts right here. They already have the Loctite on them as needed. That is your Screaming Eagle cover plate. Here's your rain sock. It comes with your rain sock there. Your air cleaner backing plate. So this will go on the bike like so. Of course, your air cleaner. I'm not going to open that yet. Of course, this is your front cover that'll go over. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera moved over. I'm gonna grab my tools and we're gonna start taking this other breather off. so I got it installed. So we're gonna do a quick video, what it looks like. I'm gonna sit on it, tell you what I think, see if I've actually got room on the pegs and all now. All right, so let's check it out. Wow, so as you guys can see, I've got about 4 fingers widths that I can put my feet out and rest my feet in a relaxed position. Come up here, my knee is touching the tank right here, and my leg is touching the breather all at the same time. So I think I'm gonna like this much better. I'll be able to throw my leg out. Maybe do some spirited riding without hurting my shin. So now I'll give you guys a close up. So as you guys can see the side of the bike now, the foot peg is out. I've got about 4 fingers width, and my feet will sit right there, can sit right there comfortably, or I can move them out. You see kind of the profile of the bike, the breather. So I think that's going to be much better for me. So anyway, guys, if this is your first time to the channel, please like, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber and viewer, guys, hey, I appreciate y'all so much, and I hope everyone has an absolutely blessed day.